Welcome to another deep dive into the world of cryptocurrency. Today we're peeling back the layers on one of the most surprising trends to ever hit the digital asset space. Today, we're exploring the explosive growth of meme coins, digital assets that started as jokes but now command billions in market value. These coins, once dismissed as internet pranks, have become a cultural phenomenon, capturing the imagination of both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu began as internet humor, designed to be fun and accessible, not to solve global finance. Their creators never imagined these coins would one day be discussed on major news networks or traded by millions around the world. Yet, in 2025, they're making headlines and challenging our ideas of value. The world is watching as these meme coins disrupt traditional notions of what makes an asset valuable. What gives a meme coin value? It's simple. Community and belief. The passionate communities behind these coins are their true driving force, fueling their rise with memes, social media campaigns, and viral moments. When enough people agree something has value, it does. This is decentralized consensus in action. It's a powerful reminder that value isn't always dictated by institutions, but by collective agreement. SHIB and Doge aren't just about tech, they're about the power of a shared digital narrative. These coins have become a way for people to express themselves, to be part of a global inside joke that anyone can join. They've become symbols of a grassroots movement against the financial status quo. For many, owning a meme coin is a statement, a way to challenge the old guard and support a new, decentralized future. Prices have surged and crashed, driven by social media and celebrity hype. Volatility is the norm. Tweets from influencers or viral memes can send prices soaring or tumbling in minutes, making the market feel like a wild ride. For many, that's the appeal. A high-stakes game where anyone can play. The thrill of rapid gains, the risk of sudden losses, and the sense of being part of something unpredictable draws people in. Meme coins have forced the crypto industry to pay attention, onboarding millions of new users who might have avoided Bitcoin or Ethereum. They've made crypto accessible, fun, and less intimidating for the average person. They act as a gateway, teaching people about wallets, exchanges, and blockchain. For many, their first crypto experience is buying a meme coin, and that opens the door to deeper exploration of the technology. Initially dismissed, their popularity and trading volumes can't be ignored. Meme coins now regularly rank among the most traded assets, proving their staying power in a rapidly evolving market. Meme coins prove innovation can come from the most unexpected places, even a funny dog picture. What started as a joke has sparked real conversations about value, community, and the future of money. Their story is a testament to the unpredictable, community-driven nature of crypto. It's a reminder that in this space, the next big thing could come from anywhere, and anyone can be a part of it. In the end, they remind us that value is as much about belief as it is about technology. Meme coins have changed the conversation, showing that sometimes the most powerful innovations are the ones nobody saw coming. The excitement around Shiba Inu centers on the launch of Shibarium. Shibarium is a Layer-2 solution. Think of it as a multi-lane superhighway for SHIB, making transactions faster and cheaper. This upgrade transforms SHIB from a simple token into a full ecosystem, enabling decentralized exchanges, NFT marketplaces, and games. Shibarium also burns SHIB tokens with every transaction, reducing supply and potentially increasing value. The deflationary mechanism has investors buzzing, fueling anticipation and price swings. The hype is like the buildup before a major tech launch. Everyone's speculating on its impact. If Shibarium succeeds, it could propel SHIB into a new era of growth and utility. The project's future now hinges on execution and adoption. SHIB is no longer just a meme, it's aiming to be a serious contender in crypto. While Shiba Inu forges ahead with Shibarium, its own blockchain solution, Dogecoin finds itself at a pivotal crossroads, uncertain about its next move in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Dogecoin's playful charm and fiercely loyal community made it the original meme coin, capturing the hearts of millions and sparking a global movement that brought cryptocurrency into mainstream conversations. Yet, despite its popularity, Dogecoin's development has lagged behind. with few major updates or innovations in recent years to keep pace with the rapidly advancing crypto world. It remains primarily a simple payment token, lacking the robust ecosystem and diverse applications that SHIB is now ambitiously building around its brand. The recent suspension of Doge-tipping bots on social media platforms exposed a key vulnerability. When a major use case disappears, so does a significant part of its relevance and utility. Shiba, meanwhile, is rapidly evolving beyond its meme origins, launching decentralized finance applications, exploring NFTs, and even building a metaverse to engage its growing user base. Investors now see SHIB as more than just hype. It's transforming into a project with real ambition, utility, and a vision for the future of decentralized communities. Dogecoin must now make a critical decision. Should it remain the fun, simple coin that started it all? Or should it innovate and expand its utility to compete with a new wave of feature-rich, utility-driven projects entering the market? It's a bit like a classic car facing off against a cutting-edge electric vehicle. Nostalgia and tradition versus progress and innovation. The future of both coins will depend on how they adapt to a rapidly changing and increasingly competitive market, where only the most dynamic projects thrive. Only time will tell which path, innovation or nostalgia, will ultimately lead to lasting value and continued relevance in the world of crypto. Predicting SHIB's price often starts with technical analysis, studying charts for patterns like the golden cross, a bullish signal that suggests upward momentum may be building. Traders pore over moving averages, volume spikes, and candlestick formations, searching for clues about where the market might head next. These indicators aren't crystal balls, but they help traders spot potential trends and make more informed decisions. By identifying support and resistance levels, traders try to anticipate when a breakout or reversal could occur. Market sentiment is just as crucial, especially for community-driven coins like SHIB, where the collective mood can drive price swings as much as technical signals. Social media buzz around Shibarium has fueled optimism and buying pressure, with hashtags and trending topics amplifying excitement across the community. But crypto sentiment can flip fast. Delays or bad news can trigger panic, leading to sharp sell-offs and sudden drops in price. Technical signals can also mislead, so smart investors combine them with fundamentals, like the project's technology, the strength of its team, and its long-term vision. This balanced approach helps filter out the noise. It's about using every tool available, charts, news, community insights, to navigate crypto's wild swings and avoid emotional decisions. The lesson? Don't rely on hype or a single chart. Look at the bigger picture and always consider multiple sources before making a move. SHIB's future will be shaped by both hard data and the community's ever-changing mood, making it a unique asset in the crypto world. In crypto, excitement and fear can move markets overnight, turning fortunes in just a few hours. Staying balanced and keeping a cool head is key to surviving the volatility and making smarter choices in the ever-changing crypto landscape. In crypto, community is everything, and the Shibarmy is a force. They're not just investors, they're marketers, advocates, and defenders. Their online petitions, like the push to get SHIB on Robinhood, show real, organized demand. The community drives awareness, organizes token burns, and rallies against criticism. This grassroots activism creates a network effect. More members mean more influence and resilience. Meme coins thrive on social relevance and collective belief, not just tech. The Shibarmy's passion sustains SHIB through ups and downs. In the age of the internet, a united community can move markets. SHIB's journey proves that belief and engagement are as valuable as code. Analogies make crypto concepts easier to grasp. Shibarium is like a new kitchen next to a crowded restaurant, serving more customers, faster and cheaper, without sacrificing quality. Technical indicators, like the Relative Strength Index, are rubber bands. When stretched too far, prices snap back. Community-driven coins like SHIB are like fan-owned sports teams. The supporters' passion and actions directly impact success. The Shibarmy's petitions and campaigns are their way of cheering and shaping the project's future. These real-world comparisons help demystify crypto's complexity. At its core, crypto is about people, belief, and collective action. Understanding these dynamics is key to navigating the market. The story of SHIB is proof that analogies can turn confusion into clarity. The story of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin is still unfolding. For SHIB, the next chapter depends on Shibarium's success. Can it build a real ecosystem and attract users beyond speculators? Execution will be the ultimate test. Building is hard. Adoption is harder. For Dogecoin, the challenge is identity. Should it innovate or double down on simplicity? The direction of each coin will be shaped by their communities and developers. SHIB and Doge remind us that value in crypto comes from narrative, belief, and adaptability. Their journeys force us to rethink what money is and how value is created. Whether they soar or fade, their impact on crypto is undeniable. They've brought millions into the space and changed the landscape forever. Sometimes the most powerful movements start as a joke, but end up rewriting the rules.